No, good morning, oh. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. I just get small message this morning. You see, Nigeria, our country, no dey go anywhere again. Because say Buhari, he go fit do anything wey be say he wan do because he believe say we the Nigerians no get wetin be say we wan do. Okay, see wetin be say they do Sowore for inside court. That means say Nigeria sef no even safe for any of us again. For you wetin be say they do Sowore, if no be say he still low, he no key because he all ask for revolution. See wetin they do am for inside court. That wey be say they do Sowore for inside court, they don't ever do am to their Boko Haram. Boko Haram will say they torment Nigeria anyhow. Elsewhere wey they torment Nigeria anyhow, they don't ever do that kind of thing for them. They never do am. But see wetin be say they do to person wey be say call for only revolution. E no kill, e no steal. And we all of us sit down and I come see some useless people wey still stand up go dey protest say need to face the law. Which law? Nigeria really get law? Nigeria really get law? You see, Buhari believe say he go fit do anything wey be say he wan do because Nigerians no get wetin they be say they wan do. Nigerians they no get wetin be say they wan read. True, we no get wetin be say we wan do. Because all of us we still dey sleep. When we go take wake up, that time e don too late. E don too late. One day we just wake up one day hear say Buhari don sell our country. Where we wan go? You no get where be say we dey go. We don dey wey be say we don happy say we no be slave for the white people hand again, and we still dey run go dey meet the whites. If we no help ourselves, who wan help us? Abi you think say if these white people really help us, you think say they no go get something say they go collect for inside us? All of us sit down with the other ones that they fight or brafa. How una want to get brafa wey be say Buhari go sit there that so una think una fit get am? Una think una go fit really get am? Una think una go fit really get am if the people no dey safe? Una people no nobody dey safe for that Nigeria, but all of us still keep quiet. Who una want make go fight that country for una if without say all of us no fight am together? Who now want okay? No, the people wey dey enjoy for that Nigeria now all the celebrity and the politicians. Now they enjoy for that Nigeria. The common man, the common woman, the common children, they know they enjoy. They molest children anyhow. But who want talk? People wey dey molest children like that, they no fit do am. Do them the way they do Sowore for inside court. They no fit do am the way they do Sowore for inside court. And we still sit down, they fold our hands for house. Okay. If our children now can't grow, now can't they want to go back to Nigeria, how we want to tell them say me they take go? We be say please no. We be say Nigeria no dey safe for anybody. See Buhari children, all of them dey for better country. Now with the common people now come to Nigeria, we know they safe, nothing. Our mothers they suffer, they do they anyhow. Even the DSS no even get respect for courts again. My people. Now so we go take for that once they sleep. Now so we go take for that once they look. We need help. We need to help ourselves. Nobody go help us. We already get that freedom. Prayer no go solve anything because God already bless us. We get the power to repair the country. But no, everything we be say we want now because now wetin Nigeria know now be say this one na Benin, this one na Yoruba, this one na Edo, this one everybody do their own. Without to no come together, the country no go feel better the way we want am. The country no go too better. Okay, you dey fight for Biafra and your people no dey safe. Your people no dey safe. How you want it? Okay, until they kill all of us finish before una go know say before una go know so una go join together to repair. Even though una no wan repair the country, una need the real Biafra. Problem no dey for that one. But as far as the people dey safe first. Okay, see if you check people wey in Nigeria now, they no many again because all of them they don't run. And now una want to get the Biafra without una no fight before una get am. I been only one person that want you heard me go. Now only now the kind of now they do this thing. We be still not see they there to help. No, all of us just sit down for house, just they wait. The country go good one day. Which now when the country wants a good until all of us don't die finish for the country. We get hard to take fight. We get mouths. But if it was anything without, because you know say we no fit talk, we no get mouth. That is why they go even put hate speech. Okay, see China the other time we say they go bring one law. The people don't like am. All of them come outside go protest say they don't want am. The law immediately they come out the law. But see we only waiting be so we know now ourselves. This one na Yoruba. No, where Yoruba me they do their own. Without we will not join hands together. How the country want a good? How the country want a good? Without na so that one tell happen. Now so this one they do this one. And all of us they call ourselves Nigerians. We they call ourselves Nigerians and we believe that we be real Nigerians. Because now the Nigerians now, it not belong to us. It belongs to all those people. What they call Buhari and the people and the celebrity, because you don't ever see the celebrity come outside say make we repair the country together. But it's not happen. You go see they start to write nonsense. Everybody go to say you go show for social media. So person say this one. But see, they never even come outside for the country say more of us stand together and want to repair the country. But no, only what we say we believe now. We can post anything about celebrity, but we cannot post anything where we say it go take better for the country. Celebrity don't ever do what we say it go better for the country one day. Everything where we say they want now for their own, because I know say if celebrity now come outside, all the Nigeria go join them. But no, all of them only go know for themselves. And you will be the useless people now. Anything where they all do, social media don't fool. 1 million people don't share now. But we don't know they ever they share what we say go better for the country. We don't even share what we say go change the country. No, only what celebrity they do. Now so this one go this one. Now so the other one go this one. Now no they shame. We know they shame. If we now come myself for social media, decide to we then attack Buhari. Okay, now we say they don't pay speech now. We know say Nigeria, the ones who they Nigeria now go they fear. But we be say the Europe. It get that we be say now time we were supposed to stand up now be this one. Social media is very powerful now. If they go far. We no fit just sit down for that one hand. Our mothers they die, our sisters they die. No water, no food, nothing. Who want to help us without that? We will not help ourselves. I be thinking that this Europe will now go do forever. No, because if the mid God no let they change their mind. I mean they say may everybody go house. Where we want stay? How we want to start? Which business day? How we want to feed our children? Now time we be so now go take wake up. Now time we be so now go take wake up. So all their children, all of them. If they go Nigeria they save for only them, but not before we. All their children they for abroad, they be in school. But see our sisters, our brothers, that they has the school for school where we say they go pay $1 million, they no go still learn A. Are you gonna say make we still sit down? Make we still sit down for real? I see the other time where we say people they write say na show worry na do wetin cause am. So wetin be say person don't do pass now na come still they bring her for present. When una go take wise up, una they die now, una see they talk nonsense. Okay, over there say call for revolution now. We go see try, we go see whether the country go take good, but no, una see game come as I go they protest say need them. Una know whether na him go be the real president for that Nigeria. If we join together now today, they fight that Nigeria, say the Nigeria belong to. If we want real fight today, why do go come up for that seat? But no. With the fear. Oh, fear. Now one person they die, oh. Now one person they die. Now una see they kill una self. Una they stab una self because of woman. Una they stab una self because of money. Una no better die for the country. Make una say yes. Now our Europe be this one. The person die for our country. See the man will be say he go airport. Will be say he go airport. What people for South Africa. They still come and say I can't go. They say nah this thing, nah fraud and all that. But we not stand up, but we they share the thing for social media. But we never stand up when they talk say her. Now sure say this one no be Buhari handwork. Because now what if Buhari supposed to do, neither man go do. Now what if the celebrity supposed to do, neither man go do. Now what if the richest man for Nigeria supposed to do, neither man go do. But no. People they come aside say now what he do to whether what they call this man now the Kano now what they happen to and so una go guess this once see when the happen to now the Kano come aside say one call rescue now no person we call rescue now una one second they talk say na so they do this one wetin pass don't pass now present now we they look for now present things now we they look for we know they want what don't pass. We need to hype ourselves because if person do bad like the past before now, we make something go happen. For we to help her now, we can't use what we say do pass, can't use that they insult her. Wait, I don't want to make sense to now. I wanna read things in Nigeria go regrow like that. If we still sit now, they just keep our hand like this. Now we go sit there. Now we they die, they go for that Nigeria. See, if Igbo people go Nigeria, it dey better for them. If our politicians children go Nigeria, they better. But we the commoner, we know they save. We no dey safe at all. But for we to stand up to fight this battle, we sit down, they wait for nonsense. What do they wait for? Until the Buhari don set in Nigeria? Where would if the whites now come say go to your country? Where we want stay? How we want to start? The country say no even good for people where they no talk of people who say one travel come house. See this Europe now, before they agree, they give Nigeria as documents, they had. The country no good. Buhari no agree. He no agree sign for the paper, mean that they give people paper. But he still signing that they carry people, they come back. Una still they sleep. Una still read, they sleep. Those of una will be say una don't see manage, come this people, una still come back when they do nonsense, they fight with them. This will not be your country, oh. If you want freedom, go back to your country. Fight for your country, make you get that freedom. Because you know if you get freedom for another man country. You can never get freedom for another man country until you stand up for yourself. You fight for yourself before you will get that freedom where they look for. We no go feel just sit down and just do our hand like this, like say nothing dey happen. Wey be say something dey happen. Wey be say something dey happen. Buhari know say we no fit talk. That's why they do show where they like as they take down. Buhari know say we no fit talk. That's why they bring hate speech. Buhari know say we no fit talk. Our people they die anyhow. Our people they die anyhow. As they die for Mediterranean Sea, they die for desert. They see they die for Europe, and as they see they die for that Nigeria. No help, nobody. People where they agree they help, where they help now. They don't insult them anyhow. They don't use social media. They insult them anyhow. Una go fit help person the way they take the help. Una go fit help person the way that particular people take the help. No, but now will come and say when they talk rubbish, they insult the person life, they shut the person's family. If the person stop now, you go fit do what the person they do. You go fit help people the way the person take the help. You go fit voice for people the way the person take the voice for people. But no. Only waiting and know today, saga, they insult people life, they insult people for our family. When all this nonsense go to stop? Una thank you, Jare.